Let us see the formation of pre-initiation complex in the transcription of eukaryotes. So the general transcription factors, they collectively perform the same function as performed by the sigma factor in case of transcription in bacteria. Thus, the general transcription factors help polymerase bind to the promoter and melt the DNA. So, these transcription factors help polymerase in binding the DNA and then melting the DNA strands, that is, separating the two strands of DNA. This is comparable to the transition from the closed to the open complex in case of bacterial transcriptions. I'm sure you might be remembering the transition from closed complex to open complex in bacterial transcription, and this transition then also brings about melting of the DNA strand, and then it can lead to the elongation of transcription. They also help polymerase escape from the promoter and embark on the elongation phase. So, during transcription, this polymerase machinery has to escape the promoter, and then actual transcription starts. The complete set of general transcription factors and polymerase bound together at the promoter and poised for initiation is called the pre-initiation complex. So all these things, and just about to start transcription, so all these complexes called pre-initiation complex. Many polymerase II promoters can contain a so-called Tata element or Tata box, which is about 30 base pair upstream of the transcription start site. So its location, the location of Tata is about 30 base pairs upstream, that is behind the transcription. This is where a pre-initiation complex formation begins. So this the formation of this pre-initiation complex begins at this site, which is about 20 base pairs behind the initiation site, transcription site. The Tata element is recognized by the journal transcription factor called TF2D. TF2 stands for transcription factor for polymerase II. Like many of the journal transcription factors, TF2D is in fact a multi-subunit protein. The component of TF2D that binds to the Tata DNA sequence is called TBP, which is Tata binding protein, TBP. The other subunits in this complex are TAFs for TBP associated factors. Some TAFs recognize other core promoter elements such as initiator, INR, DPE and DCE, although the strongest binding is between TBP and the Tata, that is Tata binding protein and Tata. Thus, TF2D is a critical factor in promoter recognition and establishment of pre-initiation complex. So here you can see in this diagram, this is Tata sequence on this DNA strand, and this TBP, this binds to Tata sequence, and then this binding is followed by the binding of other transcription factors. So these other journal transcription factors bind, and finally then this RNA pol 2 it also binds to this, and this whole complex is called pre-initiation complex. Upon binding DNA, TBP extensively distorts the Tata sequence. So when this TBP binds to Tata, it extensively distorts this Tata sequence. The resulting TBP DNA complex provides a platform to recruit other general transcription factors and polymerase itself to the promoter. So first factor which binds to DNA is TBP, and after binding to the DNA it forms TBP DNA complex, and it creates room for the other factors to come and combine, and it also causes the polymerase 2 to combine here. In vitro, these proteins assemble at the promoter in the following order. So what is the order of binding to the DNA? First of all, TF2A binds, then TF2B binds, then TF2F together with polymerase. Both TF2F and polymerase, they both come and bind, and then TF2E and finally TF2H. So this is the sequence of binding of these factors at the DNA. Formation of the pre-initiation complex containing these components is followed by promoter melting. So once these all factors have been bound to the DNA, DNA melting starts. That is, separation of two strands of DNA starts. In contrast to situation in bacteria, promoter melting in eukaryotes requires hydrolysis of ATP and is mediated by TF2H. So this melting needs energy from the hydrolysis of ATP, and this melting is mediated by TF2H factor.